I was a ghost wandering alone, caught in shadows, unsure of the road ahead. Given a throne, but doubted how to believe. Yet destined to be the queen I was meant to be. Live two lives, try balancing both worlds. Still searching for where I truly belong. Labeled a problem, child for being too bold. But now that fire fuels my passion endlessly on stage. I'm done hiding, now I'm shining as I'm meant to be. We chased our dreams, traveled far, and now I truly believe. Rising higher, higher, higher. This is our moment together. We radiate, glowing stronger than ever. Destined for greatness, bound to shine golden. Higher, higher, higher. Lifting our voices, unbreakable that last forever. Destined for greatness, bound to shine golden. Yes, been waiting to tear down these walls. Finally waking up and being authentically me. Leaving behind the patterns of old chapters. Stepping into the light, the girl they always saw. No more hiding, now I'll shine as I'm meant to be. Hunters of truth with voices bold, I believe.